Pineapple farming is quickly emerging as one of the most lucrative ventures for small and medium-scale farmers worldwide. If you've ever wondered how to turn a single acre of land into a $5,000 profit center, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down exactly how you can achieve this impressive income by growing pineapples, step by step, from preparation to harvest, along with the best tips to maximize your yield and profit. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will show you everything you need to know. Let's begin with why pineapple is such a profitable crop. Pineapples are in high demand globally, prized for their sweet flavor, nutritional value, and versatility. They fetch premium prices in both local and export markets. Unlike some fruit crops, pineapples require relatively low maintenance once established, making them ideal for maximizing profits with minimal ongoing labor. With proper planning and management, a single acre can yield substantial returns, especially if you focus on quality and efficient marketing. Step 1 is selecting the right variety. There are several pineapple varieties to consider, but for commercial purposes, the Smooth Cayenne and MD2 varieties are among the most popular. The MD2 variety in particular is favored for its sweetness, longer shelf life, and resistance to diseases. Choosing high-quality, disease-free planting material is crucial. Healthy suckers or slips from reputable nurseries will give your crop the best start possible. Next comes land preparation. Pineapples thrive in well-drained, loamy soils with a pH between 4.5 and 6.5. Begin by clearing the land of weeds, stones, and debris. Deep plowing and harrowing will help loosen the soil and improve aeration. If your soil is heavy clay or prone to waterlogging, consider constructing raised beds or ridges to ensure proper drainage. Incorporating organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure will enhance soil fertility and structure. Spacing is an essential factor in maximizing yield per acre. The recommended planting distance for pineapples is typically 30 centimeters between plants and 60 centimeters between rows. Using this spacing, you can fit approximately 22,000 to 25,000 plants per acre. Closely spaced plants will increase your yield, but be careful not to overcrowd, as this can promote disease and reduce fruit size. Planting is best done at the onset of the rainy season to take advantage of natural moisture. Place each sucker or slip in a hole about 5 to 7 centimeters deep, ensuring the base is in firm contact with the soil. After planting, water thoroughly if rain is insufficient. Mulching with dry grass or straw helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate temperature. Pineapples are relatively drought tolerant, but consistent moisture is vital during the first few months after planting and during fruit formation. Drip irrigation is ideal, as it conserves water and delivers moisture directly to the roots. If drip irrigation isn't available, ensure regular watering during dry spells. Fertilization plays a significant role in achieving maximum yield. Conduct a soil test before planting to determine nutrient requirements. Generally, pineapples benefit from a balanced application of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. A typical recommendation is to apply 40 to 60 kilograms of nitrogen, 20 kilograms of phosphorus, and 60 to 80 kilograms of potassium per acre, split into 3 or 4 applications throughout the growing season. Foliar feeding with micronutrients like magnesium, zinc, and iron will further boost plant health and fruit quality. Weed control is crucial, especially in the early stages. Manual weeding, mulching, or the careful use of herbicides can keep your field clean. Be vigilant for common pests such as mealybugs and nematodes and diseases like heart rot and root rot. Practice crop rotation, maintain field hygiene, and use disease-free planting material to reduce risk. If infestations occur, use integrated pest management techniques, combining biological controls, organic solutions, and, if necessary, targeted pesticides. Flower induction is a key management practice for synchronized fruiting and harvesting. Natural flowering can occur unevenly, but you can induce flowering uniformly by applying a mixture of ethyl, ethifon, and urea around the base of the plant when they are 12 to 14 months old. This practice ensures that most of your pineapples mature at the same time, making harvesting and marketing more efficient. The journey from planting to harvest takes about 18 to 24 months, depending on the variety and growing conditions. As the fruits mature, they change color from green to golden yellow at the base. Harvest when the fruits are fully developed, but still firm for the best flavor and shelf life. Use a sharp knife to cut the fruit with a short stalk, taking care not to damage the plant, as suckers and slips from the mother plant can be used for the next cycle. Now let's break down the economics. On average, a well-managed acre of pineapple can yield between 20,000 to 25,000 fruits per cycle. In many markets, a single pineapple can sell for 25 cents to 50 cents wholesale, and even more at retail or for export. That's a potential gross income of $5,000 or more per acre per cycle. With good management, some farmers achieve even higher returns, especially if they add value by processing pineapples into juice, dried fruit, or jams. To maximize profit, focus on quality and market timing. Target peak demand periods, such as holidays and festive seasons, when prices are highest. Build relationships with local buyers, supermarkets, and exporters. Consider branding your produce or joining a cooperative to access better markets and negotiate higher prices. If possible, obtain organic or fair trade certification to capture premium markets. Reducing costs is equally important. Propagate your own planting material from healthy mother plants, use organic fertilizers where feasible, and embrace labor-saving technologies. Efficient post-harvest handling, such as careful washing, grading, and packaging, prevents losses and ensures your pineapples command top prices. Finally, pineapple farming is not just about profit, it's about sustainability. Rotate your crop with legumes to maintain soil health, conserve water, and minimize chemical use. Invest in training, learn from successful farmers, and stay up to date with best practices. With patience, dedication, and smart management, your 1 acre can consistently generate $5,000 or more, year after year. In summary, earning $5,000 per acre with pineapple farming is entirely achievable. It starts with choosing the right variety, preparing your land, following best practices in planting and care, and being strategic about marketing. With focus and commitment, you can transform your land and your income while contributing to food security and community prosperity. If you're ready to take the next step, start planning your pineapple farm today and watch your profits grow, one pineapple at a time.